Hello everyone. Let me start explaining you through the scenario 1. So what was the scenario 1? When I click on this bar chart, I go to format, edit interaction. When I click on edit interaction, you will get these three buttons for the other two graphs. This one you selected, right? For the other two graphs, you will get these three icons. So let me do one thing first. Let me make this graph little small. Why I make it little small? So that these three icons should be properly visible. Let me click on this graph. Can you see I click on the first graph? For the second and third graph, you can see these three icons are available. So for the first one, I click on highlight. Second one, none. Now I click on this pie chart. Now I have these three icons for this one and this one. For this one, I click on highlight. This one, none. Now let me click on this third one. For this third one, I can see these three icons for this and this. For both, I click on none. Now, how it interact? I click on office supply. Can you see office supply highlighted? But there is no impact on this third one. I click on furniture, furniture highlighted. No impact on this one. Now I go to pie chart. I click on technology, office supply. Office supply highlighted, no impact on this one. I click on technology, technology highlighted, no impact on this one. Now come to the third graph. I click here. Can you see there is no impact in these two? There's no impact on these two. This was the first assignment. Now, based on the same screen, the second assignment. The second assignment hardly take few seconds. I click on this first graph. Instead of highlight, I select filter. And this one, none. I go to the second graph. Instead of highlight, I select filter. This one, none. I click on this third graph. I select both none here. Now, if I click on office supply, can you see only office supply data is available? That means others filter out. I click on furniture. Furniture only available. Others filter out. I click on technology. Technology available. Others filter out. Same way, if I click on technology, can you see technology available? Others filter out. I click on office supply available. Others filter out. Now, if you want it to be normal or reset it, how to reset? Click somewhere outside in this graph and you will find it's reset. I click here, there is no impact on the other two. These are the scenario 1 and scenario 2. In scenario 1, we play with highlight and none. In scenario 2, we play with filter and none. Thank you.